Yeah, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you how you can get crypto jobs on Coinmarketcap. My name is Okafumi with Cynthia, and if you stay true to the end of this video, I am going to show you other platforms that you can use to get crypto marketing jobs, right? So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, you are highly welcomed. Do well to stay to the end of this video if you really want to get all I'm going to be teaching you on this particular video. And if you are interested in other crypto contents like play to earn games, NFTs and lots more, all you just have to do is to hit the subscribe button, because I have lots and lots of videos that I'll be bringing to you on this channel. So back to the main gist that we have for today, which is how you can get cryptocurrency by jobs on CoinMarketCap. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser and type in coinmarketcap.com. Then when it opens up, you can see this is the regular CoinMarketCap platform. What most people come to this place to do is just to check the prices of coin, but there is a whole lot of other things that you can use this platform to do, like setting price alert and a whole lot of other things. But for today's tutorial, I'm just going to be showing you how you can apply for cryptocurrency job opportunities on CoinMarketCap. So all you just need to do is to open up your CoinMarketCap, click on this place, on this products tab. You're going to see their products like converter, mobile apps, blockchain explorer, free airdrops, diamond rewards. You can if you have a registered CoinMarketCap account, you can actually be claiming some of these rewards. You don't know what it will actually turn to become in future, right? Yeah, so you can acquire as many as possible right now, that we don't really know what is going to be used for in future, right? You don't know, maybe in future CoinMarketCap may decide to make their platform a paid platform, and the diamonds may be used to pay the monthly subscriptions. You don't know till whenever they decide to tell us what the diamonds will be used for. But before then, what we came for, if I have not forgotten, is job board. So you click on this job board. Once it opens up, the next thing you need to do is to scan through the jobs that they have listed on their platforms. Scan through the jobs they have listed on their platforms. Like right now, you can see they have DeFi engineering manager, influencer manager, social media manager, back end engineers, and lots more. So if you scan through, you'll see that some of these jobs were posted as far as May and so on and so forth. You don't want to apply for a job that was posted in May. Someone should have taken the position by now. So what you just need to do is to um register, so that whenever there is a new job offer, you will be alerted. Now let me tell you something that most people don't know. To post job on this site, on this coin market job board, costs $699 for just 5 jobs. So any company that is not serious will not pay this amount of money to post their job on CoinMarketCap. And most of the jobs that they have here, they are all remote, meaning that you can apply for it and get it from anywhere you are in the world, as long as you have an attractive CV with a very good work ethics, to be able to deliver on whatever job that you're going to be given, right? So all you just need to do is to register on their site. Like you can see it here, sign up for job alerts, put your email, put the keywords that you want. Like right now, let's take for instance that you're a UI and UX designer or a graphic designer. You can put the keyword. So whenever any job, or you're a social media manager, a community manager, project manager, etc., just put in the keywords that you are interested in, and whenever there is any new job, put your location too, even though the location is not necessarily always needed, but just try to put your location, right? Because most of the jobs on this site, they are all remote jobs that you can do from anywhere you are, right? You can see them here, anywhere, almost all of them, they are from anywhere you are in the world, you can do it. So after you are done putting these three details, you acknowledge that I have read their privacy, then you create alert. So put a very working email that you get notifications on, so that whenever they post any job, it will come direct to your email. And one good thing about this site is that this CoinMarketCap job board is that you don't necessarily need to. If you come down here, you can see that when you click on apply for this job, you don't necessarily need to do much thing. Just put in your cover letter, tell them why you want this job, not just why, how you can be able to deliver this job. Give a very professional cover letter. If you have worked on Upwork, on Fiverr, Upwork specifically, where you have to send lots and lots of proposals, you know that you have to calm down and craft a very appealing proposal that will stand out among, because this site, a lot of people have optioned in for these emails. So you really need to make your CV, you need to make your resume, you need to make your cover letter to stand out if you really want to get this job. So that is all. There's no much stuff to do here in order to get jobs on this platform. Just always turn on your email so that you can get latest jobs and apply on time, because a lot of people are seeing this job listing alert and they are also looking for, you can see they even paid lots and lots of money, up to $100,000 per year, right? So I believe nobody would want to joke with this type of job alert. So all you have to do is keep checks on their site. Always check out your emails every day, every week, to make sure that you don't miss any of their job postings. And lastly, I said I was going to show you guys other platforms that you can use for crypto jobs. And when you go to this platform, crypto job list, crypto job list, crypto job list, you can see they have a whole lot of crypto jobs on this platform, even more than they have on CoinMarketCap. You see daily. If you sort it by today, you should see jobs posted today. So that is all on this video for today. If you enjoyed this video, kindly let me know in the comment section. If you have any question as regards whatever I've mentioned in this video, let me know in the comment section and I'll be there to respond to you. Don't forget, if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. See you on my next video. Bye.